This machine first we need link the power. Power is 380, and this three piece is fair, and this one is nature's line, and this one is ground. Okay, finish. Also we need connect the air pressure, and this one is switch. The left is pressure off, and move right, pressure on, and this one is adjust the pressure. Move right is big, move left is small. This is unlock, this is the lock. Okay, now, and also first we need to put water the full box, and this is the water pump to cooling the mold. And we can see here have the power for a pump. We need a connector. Okay, now here it's power switch. We need push, power on, and also the temperature. Usually we use 180 temperature. This is the upper, this is down. If you want to adjust, you just push, move left, and adjust. And finish. You're just waiting. He will be state. And also, we can change the language to English. We push alarm to English, and have two different mode. Push state, it's automatic. So we can see the programming 1, programming 2, programming 3. This one is like shortcuts. We can state the time in the machine. You can see the automatic hot pressure time, and A is this, B is this, C is this. So we can state different time. Push state to state. 20 and enter. Now when you push programming 1, the machine working is this time. Another one, and the same, the cooling time A, B, C is the same, 1, 2, 3. So also we can set. Enter, and then next page. The manual time is, for example, this one is manual. If you want to use only heating or cooling, you can use manual. You can set the time. This is hot, this is cooling pressure time. Also we can set. Okay, next page. And this one, don't need to change this time. You need to remember this time, and this one hot pressure finish. It will be take the motor to the cooling pressure. So this is the time, it is 2 seconds. And this one cool station is For example, mode finish, it will be take out, so 2 seconds. And this one delay is for the water. For example, push down and about 3 seconds will be the water will be out. Okay, finish. Now it's push state, it's automatic. You push one, it's automatic, and this one is stop. And if you want to use menu, you can push state menu and you can use this. And also this one is adjust the height, like pressure. Move 10 right, its pressure is small, and 10 left, the pressure is big. Okay, and this one is cooling for the water, and the palm you need to open. Okay, this is all.